This is a popular tool that trainers use to get clients to feel comfortable with squats. The cue we always use is to sit back into your seat, and quite literally, we've got a chair behind us in this video, but you can use a box or a bench. Ideally, you want that object to be about knee height, because then when you go down and tap that object, you're about 90 degrees in the knee and parallel to the floor. So this is going to get you more comfortable sitting back. Oftentimes, when a client starts to squat, their knees protrude forward towards their toes, and what we always want is those knees to stay directly above your shoelaces and your hips go back. Your hips moving back should be the very first motion, and oftentimes we'll see the knees go forward first. So what I want you to do is use that chair as your comfort. If you fall, great, you're going to sit down, no big deal. But I want you to go down and try to tap it, and that's going to help really strengthen up your glutes and get comfortable with the squat. The next tip to make sure that you're using your glutes when you're squatting is what your knees are doing. Oftentimes with weak glutes, you'll see your knees cave in. So I want you to keep your knees out. They should be pointing in the same direction as your toes. And your toes can be pointed forward or they can be pointed out slightly, whatever feels more comfortable on your hips. But the rule is that your knees should point in the same direction as your toes. Do not let those knees cave in. Think about keeping them out. That will really naturally engage the glutes. And you want your hips to move back and sit down in that chair. Tap that chair and then stand back up.